Alright, so this is a quick test of the Hollyland LARK M2, which is right here. So it comes with a little necklace like, and you could just magnetize it. You can just hang it right here. So this is the mic. I had the fan on. I don't know if you're getting any noise or anything. I think I hear it a little bit. And they said, I believe, if you just hit this button, now the light is blue. And that's either the noise cancellation on or off. I can't remember. It sounds like it's louder according to Ecamm. So I'm going to hit the button again. Now the light is green. I think green means noise cancellation is on. So just a quick test of the microphone. I kind of like the fact that it's got a magnet and everything, and you can just wear it like a necklace. You don't have to clip it. You don't have to have it in your face. Now it does also have a windscreen that I have not played with yet, but I tried connecting this to my computer with the USB cable. It's not working. I need to see what's going on. I thought that was an option, but with the TRS whatever cable, it's working fine, the 3.5 millimeter. All right, that's it for this video.